Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are in the world today. Money Star 365 here, and I want to give you guys some tips on things you need to do when it comes to marketing your business on Facebook. Okay, so I'm on my profile, my personal profile. Okay, one of the things you want to do is make sure you have a picture of yourself on your profile. Okay, that's essentially a must. People don't want to deal with someone that they can't really see in a sense where you don't have a profile picture. You have a profile picture of something that's not related to anything that you do in business. You have a profile picture of a animal or just something irrelevant, okay? Make sure you have a picture of yourself. All right? That's number one. Number two, try to put your profile, your intro, as something that kind of gives people an idea of what you're about, not necessarily your business, because you don't want to give away everything based on your introduction. Okay, make sure people know, that you can offer a service or something to them that can help them in their business. Like you see, for example, here, I have opportunity and marketing services provided because that's what I do. I provide opportunity and I provide marketing services. What kind of marketing services? You'll have to message me and find out. See, you have to have a little bit of intrigue on your profile, okay? So that's number two. Number three, this right here, if you could put a picture of of a little bit about your opportunity, a little bit of the key features in your opportunity, like how I did it here, you can add a little bit more intrigue to what it is that you do as well. Okay. You don't necessarily want to give away everything, as I just said, but you want to give people enough information to get them to a point where they're curious. Okay. Number four, social media. Definitely want to make sure you have your social media platforms that you utilize: Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. Okay, and if you want to put any other websites that you want your prospects or anyone visiting your profile to take a look at as well, you can leave those there too. Number five, and I think this by far is the most important aspect of Facebook: live videos. Guys, you have to do videos. You have to do live videos. You have to do recorded videos. You have to have some sort of video on your profile. All right. I understand that a lot of people are very hesitant when it comes to doing videos. I totally understand that. But by not doing videos, you really are missing out on a lot. Okay. You are missing out on people getting to know, like, and trust you. That whole know, like, and trust factor. You have to do videos. Your videos don't necessarily have to be about business, but they do have to be done. Okay, you could put a business video on your profile if you want to talk about your opportunity or services. If you want to do that, you could do a video, a personal video like this one here that I did about 2 hours ago. Just saying hey to the people that follow me, giving a little bit of advice, if you will. Um, Something like that will definitely, keep your audience engaged on your profile because you do want to grow an audience, all right? If you're new to network marketing and you're watching this video, you want to grow an audience. You want to have build the following, excuse me. So that's a must, all right? Let me go further down a little bit. Also, you want to have some photos of yourself as well, of course. You see, I put photos of myself, some of my previous results on YouTube as well, ranking my videos and things like that. Um, and with your post, let's go into the posting part too, okay? Your post, you don't want to have every single post about business. You don't want to have someone coming to your profile and all they see is basically a classified section on every single one of your posts. Okay, promote this opportunity, promoting that opportunity, join my team, join this team, and everything else. You want to learn how to provide value also as well. Okay, you could put basic things like you can put motivational quotes in your post as well if you want to do it like that. But try to also put your words into a post. So put, like, for example, like this post here. This is something that I thought of myself. Something simple, something basic, right? You're not going to get engagement on every single one of your posts, but you will get engagement on some posts, okay? And you want engagement on your profile. That's the key thing. As I said, not everything, is going to go your way when it comes to posting, but you want to make sure that you're at least posting content, okay? Post content every day and don't post your business opportunity every day, all right? Let's see what else I got here for you guys. Another video I did a couple days ago. And again, value. Post value. Make people think. Give people motivation. Give people something to look forward to when they go to your profile. All right. And one more thing before I wrap this video up. Let me see if I can find this here. No, I'm gonna have to go back to my homepage for a second. Hold on. Not there. The last thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, I'm gonna try to see if I can pull it up real quick, is a business page. Okay. Well, before I go into the business page, stories. New feature on Facebook. You must utilize this as well. Okay. Because you see how it appears at the top of your timeline and your newsfeed or whatever. You want people to see this. If people will take a look at your story, provided that is something worthwhile. Okay, so again, with your story, you want to add a photo or something that's catchy, something that's appealing. Okay. Now let's get into the business page. This is my business page. I have two of them. I have my Money Star 365 page, and I have another page for my marketing services. All right. If you're starting network marketing, you need to have a business page, not only because it allows you to post ads on social media, on Facebook, but it also gives you a platform as well where you can um, provide more value aside from your personal profile, okay? Because normally you're not really supposed to promote your business on a personal profile. A lot of people do it anyway, but give it more so towards the business page, okay? Create your business page, provide value on there as well. Have people follow you, have people like your stuff, have people view your content and things like that as well. Okay. But again, one of the more important aspects of having a business page is so that you can post ads on Facebook from there. Okay. But that's a whole nother video for another day. All right. So at the end of the day, guys, I hope this gave you a little bit of insight into Facebook and what you need to be doing when it comes to your profile. And hopefully you guys got some value from this video. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you on my next video.